I am repeating this. I have to find square root of -7 minus 24 iota. When I say square root, so let x plus iota y is -7 minus 24 iota under the root. To remove this symbol of square root, I have to square both sides. It says x plus iota y whole square is square of this. This will cancel out. So I get a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. And here the value of -7 minus 24 iota. Put value of iota square as -1. So x square minus y square plus 2x by iota is -7 minus 24 iota. This portion x square plus y square is free of iota, is not imaginary. So this is the real part. Real compared with real would give you x square minus y square is -7. Similarly, imaginary part compared you get 2xy is -24. xy is -12. Now one thing, here you need to remember, this is something using this. One property you have to remember, and this property would be how to find square. When I say how to find square, it means you will write x square plus y square whole square. This would be x square minus y square whole square plus 4 x square y square. This is the identity which you need to remember. A plus b whole square will be equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. You already know this value. You already know this value. You can directly put in these values. This is -7 square. 4 into value of x is -12. So -12 square. This comes out to be 49. This is 144. And this would become 576. Once you solve this, you get 625. This is value of x square plus y square in that square. If you now take the square root, you get x square plus y square as plus minus
25.
Once you take its square root, because it is square, you get x square plus y square as plus minus 25. But value of x square plus y square, both the squares cannot be negative. It implies x square plus y square is 25 only. Now using these values, we have x square plus y square as 25, x square minus y square is -7. Add these two, you get 2x square is 18.
ये एलिमिनेशन लगाना है सर,
And जी
एलिमिनेशन मेथड लगाना है यहाँ पे,
एलिमिनेशन मेथड लगाया है. So x square will come out to be 9 and x will come out to be plus -3. Putting this in 1 here, 9 plus y square is 25, y square is 16, so y is plus -4. Now you have got the value of y also and you have got the value of x also. Now you can find out how many roots does it have. What are the values? Now you need to find the value of x plus iota y.
सर ये मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन है
बेटा, ये मिसलेनियस में भी नहीं, एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट है जो बुक के बैक साइड पे दिया हुआ है लास्ट में. आफ्टर द सॉल्यूशंस आर गिवन, आंसर जहां गिवन है उसके बाद है ये.
इसके
दिस
अंदर
इज वन एक्स्ट्रा टॉपिक.
y square.
क्या ये क्लियर है?
सर एक बार राइट साइड से ऊपर से समझाना सर, एक बार दोबारा वहां पे
मैं
होल
दोबारा
स्क्वायर
समझा
क्यों दिया।
दूंगा। आपके पास यहाँ पर 4 वैल्यूज आ गई हैं। x की वैल्यू +-3 है, y की वैल्यू +-4 है। बट यहाँ इसको ध्यान रखना है, इस पोर्शन को ध्यान रखना है, प्रोडक्ट इज कमिंग आउट टू बी नेगेटिव। प्रोडक्ट नेगेटिव होने के लिए एक का पॉजिटिव और एक का नेगेटिव होना जरूरी है। इससे यूज करके अगर x की वैल्यू 3 है तो y की वैल्यू -4 आएगी, और अगर x की वैल्यू -3 है तो y की वैल्यू 4 आएगी। इट इंप्लाइज स्क्वायर रूट या तो हो जाएगा 3 - 4 आयोटा और -3 + 4 आयोटा। ये ध्यान रखनी है, दो वैल्यूज 3 - 4 आयोटा और -3 + 4 आयोटा, ये ध्यान रखना है। देखो 4 वैल्यूज, +-3 यहाँ था, +-4 यहाँ था, बट आउट ऑफ दीज ओनली वन कैन बी यूज्ड। क्यों है? क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट इज कमिंग आउट टू बी नेगेटिव। I'll repeat the entire question. The topic is how can we find square root of a complex number? So what we do is let the square root of a complex number be complex. So x plus iota y will be square root of -7 - 24 iota. To remove this symbol, step by step you see. To remove this symbol, square both sides. So x plus iota y whole square is square of this. Square will cancel with square root. Once you go with square of this, you get a square plus b square plus 2ab equals this. Put the value of iota square as -1. X square minus y square plus 2x by iota is -7 - 24 iota. Compare the real and imaginary part. X square minus y square is -7. Compare the imaginary part. 2xy is -24. xy you get as -12. Once you get these, now one identity you have to remember is x square plus y square whole square means a plus b whole square. Look here. A plus b whole square is a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Same identity I have applied here. A plus b whole square is a minus b whole square plus 4ab. This value comes out to -7 square, 4, and xy was -12. So -12 square. 49 plus 576 gives you 725. So x square from here. If you take square root, x square plus y square is +-25. But squares of both cannot be negative, so it would be x square plus y square as 25 only. Now you have got x square minus y square is -7, whereas x square plus y square is 25. Use elimination method. You get 2x square is 19, x square is 9, and hence x as +-3. You put the value of x square as 9 here, you get y square as 16, y will be +-4. Now we get 4 values, x is +-3 and y is +-4. Out of those 4 values, what you need to see is that xy, the product is coming out to be negative. Product will be negative only in one case. When one of them is positive, the other is negative. So when x is +3, y we have taken as -4. But if x is -3, then y will be +4. Put these values. A plus iota b, 3 - 4 iota, or minus 3 plus 4 iota. These are two square roots of a given complex number. I hope I am clear with this.
सर यहाँ पे सर ऊपर x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर क्यों किया?
This is an identity. See, I have this question here. यहाँ देखिए इसको. I have x square minus y square is minus 7. There is no other method how I can get the value of x and y. Now to get this
सर
value
दिखाई
of,
नहीं दे रहा प्रॉपर,
हैं जी,
प्रॉपर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा,
तो बेटा
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा सर प्रॉपर।
आपने बेटा 2 बार तो क्वेश्चन करा दिया, अब तक कॉपी नहीं किया।
कॉपी तो कर लिया पर सर अभी नहीं दिखाई दे
तो बेटा नोटबुक से देखो ना, x square minus y square is minus 7. यहाँ से x और y की वैल्यूज यू कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट। तो इसलिए because there are two variables and you have only one equation, to get this you have taken x square plus y square whole square. If you have already copied this question in your notebook, is it there? Akash, Karthik, Komal,
Yes,
Kushbu,
sir.
have you people copied this question in notebook?
Yes, sir.
Then I am giving you a question now. I'll be stopping this recording. In case you have any question to ask, please do ask. Otherwise, I am giving a pause to the recording. Question number 17 of miscellaneous exercise. Alpha and beta, two complex numbers. You have to find the value of beta minus alpha 1 minus alpha beta. आपको वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है।
Sir,
बोर्ड
both
क्लियर
value.
है?
No, sir.
नो सर।
आई थिंक अब क्लैरिटी है। We know square of modulus is complex number into its conjugate. We have to use this property. Square of any complex number, square of modulus of a complex number is complex number multiplied by its conjugate. We are also given this is 1. Look at this now. If you are given value of modulus of beta is 1, can I say its square also would be 1? When I say square, it means beta into beta conjugate is also 1. I am using this property. Similarly, use this property here. Beta minus alpha 1 minus alpha beta square can be written as beta minus alpha 1 minus alpha conjugate beta into conjugate of this. Means any number, any complex number is equal to the number and its conjugate. What do? You change the signs in the conjugate. So entire thing will be changed. This would become beta conjugate, this would become alpha conjugate, 1 remains as such. Alpha conjugate, its conjugate will be the number. Remember this thing, it is already conjugate, taking double conjugate will give you the number. Now if you multiply these two, you get this into this. beta into beta conjugate minus alpha beta conjugate minus alpha conjugate beta minus minus will be plus alpha alpha conjugate. In the denominator 1 multiplies with 1 minus alpha beta conjugate 1 into alpha beta conjugate minus alpha conjugate beta minus minus is plus. This will give you alpha conjugate beta conjugate. Now beta conjugate is 1. Beta conjugate is 1. Apply this value. Apply this value here. So what do you get? Beta minus alpha 1 minus alpha beta square is using this property 1 minus alpha beta conjugate minus alpha conjugate beta plus alpha alpha conjugate denominator 1 minus alpha beta conjugate alpha conjugate beta. Here also I am putting the value as 1 plus alpha alpha conjugate 1 I have got from here. Now if you see this entire thing is equal to this, so they cancel out. What do you get? Beta minus alpha 1 minus alpha beta whole square is equal to 1. And if you take square root of this, so you get 1 minus alpha conjugate beta modulus also equal to 1. यही आपको प्रूव करना था. I hope I am clear with this. Karthik, Akash, Sachin,
Sir,